here getting an EcoJet down at past Wednesday, quarter-mile drag racing. My mate Josh, who has lent me his full slicks of a Bias Ply, has got skinny fronts, 26-inch tool rears, starting with a tyre pressure of 22 psi. I don't want to go too low. I don't have a compressor with me, so I can't go back up anyway. But we're going to see how this goes. This first run's going to be very sketchy. I've never raced on Bias Plies before, so them moving all over the track is going to freak me out a little bit. My car wants to steer right on its own as it is with this setup on, so I'm going to have to be very careful with that. And I'm not sure how the launch is going to go with these tyres, so there'll be a lot going on. We'll just have to see how it goes. I'm going to start the skid in first gear, see how that goes, just because of the torque. I don't want to break an axle or tail shaft just trying to do a warm-up skid. I don't know how well these tyres grip. But cut to it there, and then yeah, we'll see how we go. Yeah, I got Bias Ply full slicks, so borrowing it off my mate, so we'll see. It's going to sketch me the fuck out though. I've never raced on Bias Plies before, so first run will be interesting to see how much it fucking walks me. She wants to steer right on its own, yeah. So yeah, I noticed that every time you come and fucking. Yeah. Still getting used to the manual, or? I've adjusted the shifter, so hopefully I can get some decent shifts. Yeah, fuck yeah. Good luck. Cheers. Another thing as well, adjusted the shifter, so hopefully get every gear, goes into every gear and it will shift quicker. If not, then it's a clutch setup, clutch slave setup, it's not disengaging fully. Because yeah, apparently, I was talking to S1 sequential and apparently the guy is shifting at like 170 milliseconds, where mine are like 750 milliseconds. So we'll have to see how we go. Now that's 60 footed. That's 60 footed, but something's unbalanced in the front. God damn. That was exhilarating. I'm going to jack the front up, take the wheels off, put them back on, because that was shaking like hell. Thank you. Clutch. Ha! Well, what do you know? Straight into the 11's. Let's try to get this clutch sorted and then we'll be laughing. Alright, so another PB, following into the 11's. These Bias Plies made a huge difference. 1.860 foot, and that was a very soft launch. But the car with these circs is definitely steering me to the right massively. It wouldn't shift into second gear from memory, and I had difficulty shifting back down on the way back. So, and also this clutch, like slave, is also starting to play up. It's not really working. So it makes the clutch drag essentially, so you can't change gears smoothly. I can't even take off because yes, it wants to just roll on its own. But yeah, I'm going to do it again. Hopefully I can get through every gear and we can get a better ET out of that. I am also, the car was shaking like hell, so hopefully that doesn't happen this pass, and I'm just going to have to, yeah, hopefully it doesn't shake. It might help us get a better ET as well, definitely feel safer. But yeah, that launch was something else, so hopefully we can do that again. I probably won't go too crazy tight doing heaps of passes, just because I don't want to break something and they have the car shaking and the clutch screwing up playing balls. Getting really annoying, so yeah, fill the gap with me talking in between runs. Lost clutch. Well, I don't know what happened on that run. It decided to buck. It was probably I didn't leave with enough boost or something, so still really sketchy up the top end. And I keep losing the clutch pedal at the top. For a turn road, absolutely sucks trying to get it back to gear, and this lever keeps moving. I'm gonna have to re-Loctite it. So this might end up being my last run of the night, just because it's just too much hassle dealing with stuff. If I can get it on the trailer, I'd like to. Alright, keep losing the clutch, back to bad launches. Don't know why, it's not leaving good. Hopefully we can make something happen on this pass. Two shifter's a little slow, but still, you got off the line. much out of it. But it was either me or the shifter. I would have gone in the second nicely, but she powered on through after, so that'll probably be a low 12. Lost clutch again, so turned the car off, turned it back on. I'm going to do the same thing in a second. We're going down the straight. Let's see what time we got. Thank you. Like another PB, 11.84. Damn. That mischief. Alright, so another PB, 11.8. Once again, shifter wouldn't shift, so hopefully we can get a good launch again and hope we can get the shifts done and yeah, you can improve on that again. I'm still losing the clutch at the end. Turn the car off, get a couple pumps in his back, so I think the master's leaking maybe. We'll have to suss it out. I might just get a new master, they're quick and easy to change anyway. Definitely wasn't as good on that one. Yeah, 12.2 at 128. Right, got the launch turned up a bit. We'll see. Don't really have enough fueling there, I think though. Like that, we've done another axle.
This world of broken dreams, like the lights within, darkness has never been closer. Needs for a pair of eyes, lies in a chasm of celestial dark. Takes your living breath, shaky and uncertain. You saw the force contained, only by their bodies. Unrestrained, lose their